We've got another UL list here. Let's say we've selected the UL tag by its ID and want to delete its first list item. The best solution would be using the first element child property to do the selection. We can see it worked. The first list item has been removed. Then let's copy and paste the code we used to delete the first list item and see what happens. We can see the second item is gone. If we continue to repeat this process, we can eventually empty the whole list. If we switch the first element child property into the last element child property, we'll still get the same result. When removing list items, we have only been selecting the first item. So how can we eventually empty the whole list by only deleting the first item? After we've removed the first list item, what will the original second list item become? I'll show you. If we want to delete every list item, we just need to keep deleting the first item or the last item. In the last lesson, we've deleted a list manually. In this lesson, we'll do it automatically. To empty the whole list, we just need to keep deleting the first or last list item. The only problem is, we need to find out how many repeats we need. How many repeats we need depends on how many items the list has. To get the item total number, we use the child element count property. If we need to repeat the same operation for a fixed number of times, who should we ask? We ask the loop statement. As usual, whether we need to use the loop statement, we need to create a variable to work as the counter. First, we create a new variable counter and give it an initial value of 1. Then the while statement. Inside the parentheses, we put the condition, counter smaller than or equal to the total number of list items. Inside the curly brackets, we just keep deleting the first or last list item. In the next line, we add 1 to the value of variable counter to mark that one repetition has been completed. Now we can see the list can be automatically deleted.